In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a deposit in QuickBooks Online in 2 steps. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, but sometimes we all make mistakes, like recording an incorrect deposit. Fortunately, QuickBooks makes it easy to fix this by deleting the deposit entirely. Whether you're correcting an entry error or cleaning up your accounts, I'll walk you through the process step by step. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started. Now let's dive right in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're in, look to the top right corner of your screen there. You'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings menu. Go ahead and click on that. From the menu that appears, select the option labeled Chart of Accounts. This is where you'll find all the accounts tied to your QuickBooks setup. Next, locate the specific account where the deposit you want to delete was recorded. For example, this might be your bank account or another type of ledger. Once you've identified the correct account, look for the View Register option next to it. Click on View Register. This will open up the account register, which is essentially a detailed list of all the transactions recorded for that account. Now, scroll through the register to find the deposit you need to delete. Take your time to ensure you've selected the right one. You don't want to accidentally delete the wrong entry. When you've located it, click on the deposit to expand its details. With the deposit details expanded, you'll see an option to delete. Click on Delete, and if prompted, confirm the action to finalize it. QuickBooks will remove the deposit from your records, and that's it. You've successfully deleted the deposit. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.